Okay, if you want it to be melody, so I have a really small like espresso, I wanted to try it out and test to see how I like it. So this item, I didn't fully read the description, and I didn't read how many I'd be getting, so I got 16 instead of 32, but that's fine because I got the ones that I wanted. And then I grabbed this, I think it's 50 of these little bunny rabbits. So I'm gonna have to order more later. And then I got this foil. It was cheaper on AliExpress than it was on Amazon. And then this has been in my wish list. I have Cabochon backings, so I'm gonna put some of these on them, like the bigger ones. And then I'm gonna use the smaller ones for my nails. I have another set similar to this that's coming in. So when it gets here, I'll add it to the haul. So I'm gonna take some of this stuff out and show in more detail of what it is. So these are the first 7 out of the packet. So I'm just gonna zoom up. So this is actually my favorite. I always ordered these separately, and then I had to double check to make sure they were in the packet. This one might be 2 together. Yeah, it is. This is 2. One has hearts at the bottom, and the other one has stars, so it's not one piece. I thought it was. There you see it. Let me check this one. Oops. This might just be 1. Yeah, that's just 1. It has butterflies. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh. Oh, focus. I don't know if you can see the butterflies. Oh, there's a better view. And then this just has lace with floral on it. Here's another one. And then here's some more. This is also a favorite of mine. I can't wait to use this. And then this one. So these are the last 5 that were in the packet. So I like the different 2 types of florals on this one. This is roses. And then more types of floral. And that is it for this pack. So these are the little evil eye cabochons, and this is how small they are compared to my finger. So the biggest size I could actually be able to put is this one, but it would be on my thumb. This one would be really massive. For some reason, this size doesn't have glitter, which is fine, but they're all different. I ordered these. I think this is the clear one, which I can't wait to use. But I actually got it for these and the purples and pinks. So these are just the bunnies that I got. They're perfect for the nails. It's just an overview, and these are the colors that I got compared to my nails. So I got 2 shades of pink, yellow, purple, blue, red, and green. I only received 1 purple, which is fine because I plan to order more of these later down the road. So I plan on putting these on some pressed nails and selling them. So that's why I got these. And they're perfect So that's just an overview of everything that I got. So thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, I have one more thing coming in, and I'll be inserting it into this once I get it. So bye.